Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to install a new shower head. Take all your parts out of the box. Make sure you have the tools for the job, including pliers and Teflon tape. First, try to remove the old shower head. It may come right off. If it needs some extra persuasion, use the pliers. Wrap a rag around the shower head portion so that you don't scratch it. Once it's loosened up, loosen it the rest of the way by hand and take off the old Teflon tape. Don't make the mistake of using this again. It will leak. Well worth the effort to clean that off nicely. Reinstall with new Teflon tape. You should do about 4 to 5 wraps of the Teflon tape. Then spin on your new shower head. You do not have to use a wrench for this. It should go on quite smoothly. Tighten the back part. And then turn on the faucet and check for leaks. Please like, subscribe, and comment.